there, health enthusiasts! Are you looking to boost your diet with fruits and veggies without giving up your favorite foods? Well, you've come to the right place. First up, let's talk breakfast. Love your morning pancakes or waffles? Try adding some fresh berries on top. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but they're packed with antioxidants. And if you're into smoothies, toss in a handful of spinach or kale. Trust me, you won't even taste it. Now, on to lunch. If you're a sandwich lover, slide in a few slices of cucumber or bell pepper for that extra crunch. Or how about swapping out the chips for some crunchy carrot sticks? They're perfect for dipping in hummus or your favorite dressing. Dinner doesn't have to be a challenge either. Love pasta? Great! Just mix in some sautéed veggies like mushrooms, zucchini, or cherry tomatoes. And if you're a pizza fan, load up on toppings like spinach, onions, and peppers. You can still enjoy your cheesy goodness with a nutrient boost. And hey, let's not forget about snacks. Instead of reaching for a bag of chips, try a cup of grapes or apple slices with peanut butter. They're just as satisfying and give you that natural sweetness. Remember, it's all about balance, not deprivation. You don't have to give up your favorite foods to eat healthier. Just find ways to add those fruits and veggies into your meals. So what are you waiting for? Let's get creative in the kitchen and make every meal a little more colorful and nutritious. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.